What is up, YouTube? I know in these trying times, everybody's trying to figure out a way to make extra money online. And I just saw really some really cool ideas for doing it, which don't cost anything, which does take a few minutes of your time. And I'm actually going to help you out with it as well. So stay tuned for my review of Instajackpot. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the few people that can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, how insensitive can you be with everything going on in the world? Can't you stop it already? He's so annoying, that guy. Anyway, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. And you see, Liz is a class act. I love Liz. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I'll give a tip. My hat's the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for Instajackpot. This is by my friend Cynthia, and this is actually her first launch, so I'm really excited to help her out with this thing. It's a really cool launch, very interesting stuff here. You can see some of her sales reports. And these are real numbers, these are not like the numbers where you see people saying, oh, I made thousands upon thousands of dollars. No, they're real numbers that she actually makes real money doing this. And it's some pretty cool stuff, actually. You can see these are actually, I think they're PayPal sales numbers. And Instajackpot.
Viva Las Vegas, baby! Yeah!
No, it has nothing to do with going to Vegas. What's with Vegas with you? Anyway, but Instajackpot is actually very cool. So it is Instagram, but it's really not. Because most people, when they talk about Instagram, they're thinking, oh my God, I have to go and build an Instagram account. I don't know how to do it. I don't know anything about it. I don't know much about Instagram myself. I do have an Instagram account, which I have somebody manage for me, but I don't actually do it myself because I don't know much about it. I don't know how to do Instagram really. But Cynthia's actually figured out some really cool methods for making money off of Instagram that you don't need to actually have an Instagram account with. So that's really, really cool. So this is the members area. Okay, now it's got a whole bunch of sections here, setting up your account and profile and all that kind of stuff, which is nice if you don't have an Instagram account already. Nice that she's helping you out. What I found very cool particularly is the helper method. Now, I'm not going to tell you exactly what it's about because that's what Cynthia is going to teach you. But what I will tell you is like this. In order to make it work, you basically need to have ready-made Instagram posts that people can go and use. And so I'm going to help you out with that. I actually have 20 ready-made Instagram posts complete with inspirational quotes. They're actually short videos that people can post on Instagram. I'm going to give them to you for free as my custom bonus when you go ahead and grab Cynthia's product from me. Okay, just use the link down below in the description and you'll get it with my custom bonus. And she has like 5 different methods. All of these work, by the way. I've seen them work. I know that these things actually will do the job. So it's not like you can't make money off of this. These really do work, and they work really, really well. He's got a couple of extra bonuses here. The OTOs are nice, not absolutely necessary, but they're nice stuff. Okay, basically the OTOs is going to teach you how to further use Instagram. Now, what I'm going to do for you in the OTOs, by the way, if you do pick up an OTO, I'm going to give you an Instagram shout out to my 8,000 followers, almost 8,000 followers on Instagram, so you'll be able to make some money off of that as well. Keep in mind, by the way, that Instagram does have their rules about these things. So, a lot of affiliate links they won't let me link to. So you do want to have a bridge page or something like that. But you'll get an Instagram shout out if you pick up any of the OTOs. So let's go ahead and see if I can give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
So you rock. I love this. Great job. For $8, it's really a no-brainer to pick this up and start making some money and start learning and earning. So go ahead and grab this. You really are going to love this.